Pressure, force and area. In this video, you will learn how measurements like pressure help us understand real-world relationships between different quantities. What is pressure? It tells you how much force acts on a surface spread over a certain area. It can be calculated by measuring the force applied per unit area. The formula for pressure is force divided by area. Pressure is measured in pascals or Newton per square meter. You know the formula for pressure. But what if you want to find force or area? That's where the formula triangle comes to the rescue. A formula triangle will have three quantities. If you know any two of the three, you can easily calculate the third one. How to use the formula triangle? Cover the quantity you want to find. The remaining units will be multiplied or divided as shown on the triangle. For example, to find force, cover the F in the triangle. What do you see? It is P times A. So you must multiply pressure with area to find force. Let's see an example to understand this better. A force of 100 Newton exerts a pressure of 20 Newton per square meter. Calculate the area of the surface that the force is being applied to in square meters. Here, the force and pressure are given, and you need to find the area. By covering A in the formula triangle, we get F divided by P. Area equals force divided by pressure. The area equals 100 divided by 20, which equals 5. The area of the surface is equal to 5 square meters. Let's look at another example. A crate is placed on the ground. The area of the crate in contact with the ground is 3.2 square meters. The pressure exerted on the ground is 25 newtons per square meters. Work out the force exerted by the crate on the ground. Here, the area and pressure are given, and you need to find the force. Let's use the formula triangle. To find the formula to calculate force, cover F in the triangle. What do you see? It is P times A. That is, you need to multiply pressure by area to find force. Let's substitute the values in the formula. The force equals 25 times 3.2, which equals 80 newtons. The force exerted by the crate on the ground is 80 newtons. We used the formula triangle to find area and pressure. Now, let's look at an example of calculating pressure. Find the pressure exerted by a force of 6,000 newtons on an area of 20 square meter. Give your answer in newtons per meter square. Here, the area and force are given, and you need to find the pressure. Let's use the formula triangle. To find the formula to calculate pressure, cover P in the triangle. What do you see? It is F by A. That is, you need to divide force by area to find pressure. Let's substitute the values in the formula. Pressure equals 6,000 divided by 20 equals 300 pascals. Pressure exerted by the force equals 300 pascals.